English-Tagalog translation. Commonly used phrases number 1. Useful everyday phrases translated into Tagalog or Filipino language. What are you doing? Anong ginagawa mo? What's going on? Anong nangyayari? Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. You're welcome. Walang anuman. I really appreciate your help. Talagang pinahahalagahan ko ang iyong tulong. Do you know what time it is? Alam mo ba kung anong oras na? I'm sorry for being so late. Pasensya na, sobrang matagal ako. What do you think? Ano sa tingin mo? Do you need something? May kailangan ka ba? I don't understand. Hindi ko maintindihan. Could you please repeat that? Maaari mo bang ulitin yon? What do you mean? Anong ibig mong sabihin? Nice to meet you. Masaya akong makilala ka. Where have you been? Saan ka galing? How can I help you? Paano kita matutulungan? Please call me. Pakitawagan mo ako. You are beautiful. Maganda ka. I love you. Mahal kita. Don't bother me. Huwag mo akong pakalaman. I'm happy to be with you. Masaya ako na kasama kita. I'm glad you are here. Natutuwa ko na narito ka. How are you? Kumusta ka? Are you alone? Nag-iisa ka ba? I can do the job. Kaya kong gawin ang trabaho. If you find this video helpful, please click the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.